Hi everybody. So I've just unmolded the first two and I did a video in French, so I thought I'd leave the last two to do the video in English. Sorry, I've just put resin all over my hand because it's on my table and I didn't see it. A bit of a mess this morning. It's 2:30 in the morning. I can't sleep. My right hand hurts like hell. So I thought I'd come down and do a bit of work. So yesterday I poured these 4 coasters. They were a gift from Just4youonlineUK for me to try and have a bit of fun with and do some videos for you guys. So the products I have used, whoa, yeah, I'm covering myself with resin today. So we've got the premium epoxy resin. It was new to me. This is the second time I've used it. I did a set of coasters before that and now these, and I love it. It's a lot richer, it's a lot thicker than I am used to. Sorry, bear with me 1 second. I need to put a new pair of gloves on. It's a lot thicker than I am used to, but it is so clear, so transparent. It spreads really easily. It's a joy, a pleasure to work with, a real pleasure. So although I find it a little bit tougher to mix at the moment because of my hand, that will pass when I get operated on in July. And you know, once that problem is gone, then there won't be an issue. That's my only issue with it, is that right now it's a lot of work on my hand, but I absolutely love it. It's clear, it's transparent, it spreads beautifully. It's touch dry in 4 to 5 hours. So if you want to do a second layer within the day, you could. And it is, I don't know all the particles about it, but it's non-toxic. It contains no VOCs, no solvents, no fumes when you use it at room temperature. And I really, really, really like it. So the colors I used for these 4 coasters were the teal. It's called Teal, It Sparkles Pigment. I've used the beautiful baby pink, and a new product that I'd never had from Just4youonlineUK yet was the white glitter dust, the white ignition dust, and it is so beautiful, really, really beautiful. You can see greens in there, gold, depending on how the light touches it, it changes color. It's just gorgeous. So make sure my hands are clean. These are the 4 little butterfly molds that they sent me, and they are just so cute. They're brilliant molds. I have pretty much every single mold that Just4youonlineUK does, and I absolutely love them. And if you haven't had a look at their website, please do. They've got some amazing products, gorgeous glitters, gorgeous pigments. They're bringing in new stock all the time of colors and texture pastes as well. And another thing I wanted to tell you about the company is the service is fantastic. But there is a gilding liquid if you're doing coasters for the edges. It's called liquid gilding. It's the Empire Gold gilding liquid, and I swear by it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So that's the front and that's the back. And that's the 4th one. So there we are, guys. I really enjoyed making these. It gave me a change from all my trays and, more importantly, my white and gold. As you know, I'm totally in love with the white and gold at the moment, but it was really nice to actually use color for a change and do something completely different. So I hope you enjoyed these, and don't give up, don't give in. Experiment, practice, practice, practice. I mean, I still make mistakes, but you have to learn from them and just enjoy every moment. It is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a chore. So just take your time and enjoy. And stay safe, guys. I will see you soon. Bye.